And we are live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good
Good morning.
morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you may be. Good morning here in Northern California. Time check. It's 11:05 in the morning, September 11. Oh, sorry, September 13, Friday. Oh, Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th, I know, right?
Right. So, ano yung greeting mo?
Barg nga bigat, malam, kanrabi yung man po, daman ti no nyaman nga lugar ta inyo manan.
Yes.
And again, it's a new day again, Friday again.
Yes.
Sa mga workers dyan, if it's their Friday, they are happy because after Friday,
Yes.
day off,
Weekend.
weekends.
Yes. Sa mga
So always remember, God is good
all the time,
and all the time.
God is good. All right.
Yeah, right.
So yeah. Yeah. Friday the ano yun?
Friday the 13th,
13th.
sabi
Oo
nga.
nga.
May mga movie na yung Friday the 13th. Sino yun? Yung Jason, yung may yung chainsaw.
Something na maalala ko sa Friday the 13th.
Chucky.
Ganda naman. Ipaalala mo si Chucky. I hate Chucky. But
Uh,
anyway, yung travel namin, yung pag-migrate namin dito sa US, it happened to have fallen to
On the 13th?
on a 13, Friday the 13th.
13th day.
Tapos alam mo naman, syempre mga kasabihan ng mga Pilipino, 'di ba? Parang malas,
Malas yan.
ganyan. Sabi nila, ala pag travel kayo ng 13, naku, mahirap yan.
No,
I-cancel mo, reschedule nyo.
No,
Ganun.
yung mga pungsoy na yan, mga ganyan. Meron din yung even yung pag-build ng mga buildings or ayaw nila yung may 13th floor as much as possible.
Oh, yeah?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam yun. Ayun
13th
nga,
floor. Kasi malas daw eh.
Sinasabi nila kay mama noon, sabi na, ano mo na, ipa-change mo yung flight daw namin, ganyan. Sabi niya,
But
ay naku, basta, aalis na tayo. Nakaano na yan, nakaset na. Hindi tayo ang bumili.
in a positive mindset, in a Christian life, kahit ganyan pa, malas daw, delikado, or anything, but if you have faith in God,
yes,
nothing will come to harm you.
Yes, because God is in control,
Yes.
right?
God is
And again,
bigger.
Yes, bigger than
from
anything or
and
problems or
everything,
any
problems, yes.
Tapos if you know, we are children of God, so bakit ka, why will you
be weary
be
and
worried,
scared?
Oh,
hi Ate Debbie, good morning.
Hi, good morning Ate Debbie. Oh, ikaw.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Chee-hoo!
First ka.
First, hindi
Yeah.
yung nakahabol ka ngayon.
Yeah, talagang first con
in
ka.
line, yes.
We haven't even started yet. Yes. So hello ate, thank you for watching. And thank you for those who've been watching and following us for the past couple of days now, or since the start of our 90-day success challenge. Thank you. And for those watching our replay, thank you as well
Yes.
for those support. Hopefully our go live have been giving some inspiration, encouragement to you, as we aim to do by doing this or our goal in this 90-day success challenge. So again, hopefully today also, as we tackle a new topic, we hope that you will be blessed and encouraged again.
Yes.
So
that's all what we want.
yes,
While we speak here on this 90-day success challenge is to inspire you,
Yeah.
to give you encouragements in life, not only
Yeah.
in business. And we are just here to bless you. And yun lang naman ang kagustuhan namin is to bless you, to help you. And kung ano nakita namin with this business na nakatulong sa amin ngayon, paunti-unti, nakakaginhawa kami sa mga bayarin, credit cards, ganon. Kasi we are enjoying the benefits of this business.
Yes.
Kahit sabihin mo wala ka munang kinikita, but you are enjoying the benefits. Kagaya na sinabi ko nga, si Mrs. military siya. She's not enjoying yung mga paycheck niya kasi maliit lang yung paycheck niya, but she enjoyed the benefits of sa military kasi sa military libre kami sa medical, And
May housing allowance
may
kami.
housing allowance,
May
and
mga educational benefits dyan.
educational benefits, lalo-lalo na with our kids.
Mhm.
When they go to college, libre siya.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Yeah, so
Just like with our business, we enjoy the benefits of tax write-off.
yes.
Even we spend money on things,
It's
food,
a good point,
trip,
yeah.
sa mga vacation namin, hotels and everything, we
Mata-tax
know
write-off
na
mo.
may magbabalik sa amin.
Right.
We know that we could tax write it off
Mhm.
at the end of the year. Yun ang kagandahan naman yun when you are living here abroad. And
Right.
plus our business is global.
Yes.
Global siya, hindi lang naka-specific sa isang country,
Mhm.
kundi sa buong mundo wherever our company reaches.
Yes. So talking about the tax
And
write-off, so
yes.
even your international travels, you can tax write it them
Mhm.
off because global yung business.
Yes.
Yes.
So yun, the topic natin yesterday was nung nakaraan, motivation,
It's
the
about
techniques of
motivation.
motivation. But now is the
17. Our topic today is explore the power of visualization.
Yun, parang sabi nga sa Proverbs 29:18, where there's no vision, the people will perish. Ganon.
Oh,
Yeah, kasi
pati mo sinabi, parang
I know,
naisulat ko.
I know. Yun nga talaga, in life, if you don't have vision, visualization in lives para magpatuloy sa pamumuhay mo, kaya na sabi nga sa Proverbs nga, the people will perish. Wala kang, alam mo yun, parang walang saysay.
Walang purpose.
Walang purpose.
Yes, yeah.
But the thing, if you, yung mga, pero yung pag-visualize mong yung mga yun, kung may gusto ka mang matapos, o kaya sa pag-aaral mo, ganito mangyayari. Or sa trabaho, visualization mo rin yung mga yun. O trabaho
I-envision mo na
envision mo.
natapos
Yes.
ka. Envision ka,
And
na-envision mo siguro when you chose your career, na-envision mo kasi yung sarili mo that you will
Yes.
be like this. Like for
Mhm.
you see yourself being a nurse, then that's
Yes,
why you decided to do it.
And then plus,
So yun yung naging parang drive mo, 'di ba?
and
To choose
with
it,
vision
to do
din
it.
kasi gusto mo maging possible yung mga impossible, right?
Right.
Pero with us human beings, we cannot do that. Only God could do that.
Yeah.
Kaya by faith, di ba?
By
Ang faith hindi
that's
mo
right.
naman nakikita. You just believe in Him that He will give the desires of all of your hearts.
Yeah.
Parang i-envision mo rin lang yung lahat na kasi ang Panginoon talaga, He do possible things, the impossibles.
Kasi when you're visualizing, that's in the future kasi, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So, talagang parang it's for you, parang hindi mo pa alam kung it's gonna be possible. It's at that time that you were visualizing it, it looks impossible because again, it's in the future. And
Mhm.
but then being Christians, we knowing that your Lord, your God who is capable of doing impossible
much everything.
possible, everything, our
Yeah.
creator, diba? We know that we have the confidence that something that we visualize can be is reachable.
Yeah. So that's why
With His help.
that's why we visualize with this business through Him.
Mhm.
Kasi we were not afraid, or we are confident enough with this business na everything will go smoothly, everything will go the right path kasi nga God is there to guide us
Mhm.
and then katuwang namin ang Panginoon dito sa business na to,
Right.
because we dedicate this business to Him, because in everything we do we need to glorify His name. And yung mga natatahak namin na mga mga achievements or anything, we don't credit yung mga yon. It's Him who take those credits.
Yes. Yes, kasi talaga naman, lahat naman talaga nanggagaling sa kanya, promotions, all all those successes or blessings that we're receiving in anything, not only here in the business, but everything that we receive, it became possible because of God, because of Him. Kaya we are just, kaya yun nga, it's learning as a child of God or as a Christian, learning how to be grateful in even the simple things can will strengthen your
Yes.
relationship, your faith with God. We just want to
Acknowledge.
acknowledge our viewers before sila umalis. To si Sister Joyce, hello po.
Hello po.
Good morning po. Thank you for watching. Sis Shay, hi, and Ate Gina, good
Good morning.
morning.
And she said, yes.
Yes, God is the God of possibilities.
Mhm.
Yes. And then si Ate Gina, yes, sabi niya good morning. Ano yung gusto kong sabihin? Actually, ang ganda ng topic nila, Shay, kagabi kung ano kahapon, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero anyway, visualization. Actually, nung binabanggit lang ni Mr. about vision, I just remembered, 'di ba, yung time ko kasi mabanggit niya yung patungkol sa military. I think in any establishment or any parang when you're creating an organization, lagi yan, meron yan. My vision, mission, 'di ba?
Yeah, vision, mission.
You have to have a vision.
Hindi, yung
Ganun yung ano eh.
yun na lang minsan yung pag-interview, what is your vision? In this after 5 years or 10 years sa work na
How do
to,
you see
yung ganun.
yourself?
O
Ganun,
kaya
ganun.
nung mga bata pa tayo, o kaya ito, yung parang yung maliit namin, sasabihin nila, oh, ano gusto mo paglaki?
Mhm.
Ganon.
Hindi, I think kon lang to. Hindi naman wala yung ilaw.
Hindi.
Okay lang yan. Kasi sa labas kami. As you can see, we have our little one out here.
Uh-huh.
Tapos yung isa pa. Trying our best to at least still do our live kahit na busy kami with our parent duties.
No, at
But-
least we could show them even if we're kahit nag-aalaga ng bata, we still show up sa business na to. Kasi
Yeah.
it's very flexible. You could do these things na hindi ma-compromise yung mga kon.
Thank you sa ayun daw itatanong. So sabi may comment si Shay. Sabi niya, Nax, thank you sa idea. Pwede ko i-ask yan sa next interview session ko. yung how do you visualize yourself? How do you see
Yes.
yourself in the next one? Ganun.
Yeah, yun naman kadalasan, di ba? Yung
Mga interview, right?
Yeah.
Because totoo naman kasi you need to have a vision. You need to visualize something in order to again another means of motivating yourself, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Is having that visualizing. How do you see yourself?
Mhm.
Actually, I was trying to I tried to search about yun nga yung kung may makita akong something mapupulot ako sa Google na patungkol sa visualization. And then yun nga sinasabi daw na of course actually other synonymous word for visualization is imagination. Lalo na sa mga bata. Dahil nung bata
Oh,
tayo
yeah,
or
that's
until
true.
now, we like to imagine yourself, 'di ba? Imagine yourself na and gano'n naman, totoo naman, visualization, imagination din naman 'yan eh.
Or
Pero kasi yung
sabihin nila yung mangarap.
ayun,
Ganun ba?
parang ganun ba yung sa
ganun din
Tagalog?
ba sa Tagalog, yung mangarap ka rin, yung vision.
Well, it is related to that,
But the thing is, yeah,
Dreaming.
libre yung mag-dream, mangarap. Libre
Oo.
nga. In order to those things na yung mga na-envision mo to na magkatotoo, sana ganito ang pamumuhay ko, sana ganito, sana ganyan.
Mhm.
But you have to gawin mo muna sa sarili mo. Ikaw naman ang gagawa niyan para matahak mo yung patutunguhan mo. Kasi if you are just visioning what you you want to do in life, or you're just visioning yung with this business, kailangan may gawin ka rin. Gawin mo rin yung part mo. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Para makuha mo talaga yung ini-envision mong yun. Just like others with our business partner.
sabi si Sheo, kaya nga importante ang vision board. Yeah, kasi yung vision board, it will help, it will remind you to, di ba? It will be your another, and it's another motivational technique is having a vision board actually, di ba? But yeah, seeing that vision board,
Parang
having a
it's
vision
your,
board,
parang
that
yan
will
ang
be your,
parang
yun yung parang
gasoline mo
to
rin
do
eh.
list mo rin eh, parang ganun. Pero it is just, it will be, kasi sa visualizing is actually, it is a mental training, sabi doon sa nakita ko.
Mhm.
Yeah, you have to see it in your mind before you really see it daw. So meron sabi nito, yung nakita kong video na yon, sabi ni Jim Quick, you'll see it when you start believing it. So yun din, isa pa, you have to, yung sinabi na ni Mr. about faith, di ba? When you're visualizing things,
Mhm.
you have to believe or
Mhm.
have faith that it will come to pass. You
Mhm.
will get there, right? But ayun nga, it started here
Yeah,
before
tama,
you can
tama.
even
Kasi it
get there.
started there talaga when sometimes yun nga yung sabi nga nila, to see is to believe.
Yun nga yung yun lang yun yung problema. Yun yung problema.
Why not believe first, then you will see it.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung kagandahan ng business na to, right?
Mm,
We need to kailangan nating i-reverse yan.
yeah.
I-reverse natin yung to see is to believe. You have to believe first in order to you to see it. Parang ganito yung business natin. You have to take that leap first.
Take
And
that
you
leap.
will see the full benefits of our business. Yung
Right.
kagandahan nitong business namin na to.
Yeah.
And ayun, yun nga, i-reverse psychology mo lang yun.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga.
Though mind you,
i-positize mo lang.
you cannot prevent people to be skeptical. Sa
Mhm.
amin, like, sa na-share namin sa past lives namin, it
Mhm.
took us 7 months, but we are thankful to have a friend, our mentor, Sis Gina there, who is our parang living proof. We already saw it kasi sa
Mhm.
kanya. So,
Mhm.
I understand na yung to some people to be skeptical, but then life, it's not always gonna be the case na meron kang parang isipin mo na lang sa mga how will you know kung talagang
Ay,
you'll see it,
para
you
na
see
ano
yourself
ko ulit
there
si
kung hindi ka
Consequence.
muna nag-believe that you will get there, you will.
Kaya nga gusto ko yun si Pastor Ray Mancheca.
No.
How would you know that you know that you know na ganito?
Oo.
Diba? Yung parang parating yung sinasabi yung mga ganun.
You wouldn't know until talaga
Yeah.
until you take that leap of faith,
Mhm.
trust God, have faith na it will that, because the God of possibilities will make it
Mhm.
possible. Parang ano nga, ano ba yung sabi ni ate, when you see it, you will get it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
through vision mo yun. I-envision mo yun kasi
Yeah.
yan ang parang magiging gasoline mo rin eh. To drive you going there sa may end goal na yon, kung ano man yung goal mo in life. Diba?
Mhm. Actually,
Pero-
meron nga yung napanood ko na rin na video na yun. Sabi niya, actually, they tested this power of visualization with athletes.
Mhm.
Kasi we just
Yan
had example, we just had that Olympics, then natapos lang yung Olympics, di ba? Pero most of those athletes for sure, not only
No.
through physical practice that they became what they are, or that they've been successful in their yung pagiging pagiging champion or what, but it's also they're already visualizing it also in their mind. Meron yung na-share ng isang I don't know kung parang record holder siya na runner, but he said that na-beat niya yung time because in his mind during that time when he was running, he was seeing the clock daw, na parang kasi daw supposed to be yung kwan na yun is in 4 minutes, supposed to be nobody had finished a 1 mile run in 4 minutes, pero in his mind he's the one who beat that that record And sabi niya what he was doing was he was visualizing himself, or he visualizing na nakikita niya yung clock daw na at 3:59 nandun na siya sa finish line.
Mhm.
So again, it is a good motivational technique, 'di ba? Visualizing yourself getting there.
Parang wala rin lang pinagkaiba sa motivation din lang, no?
Yeah. It is an example of motivational motivational technique.
So you have to motivate yourself to envision the end goal.
Pero when you're visualizing daw, sabi nila, it's not just about thinking it here eh. Parang when you're visualizing kasi, you're putting yourself already in that situation na parang nararamdaman mo na daw. You have to try to, yung kasi, yun siguro yung difference nung dream. Dreaming it, yung word na, yung term na you're dreaming to be there. But then if you're visualizing, you're already putting yourself in there.
You have to visualize how to get that dream.
Yes, and then nandun ka na, nakita mo na, visualize mo na ng sarili mo nandun. So it's not only about seeing yourself there, but it's also you're already feeling na nararamdaman mo na yung success daw. Ganun daw yung visualization, sabi nila. So ang ganda no, yung ganun na yung
ay hi Lay, naimbag nga bigat mo at kabsat.
Good morning, Sis Lay. Hi to our 4 million viewers. Ano pa sabi natin, Gina? Yes.
Kaya important ang vision board.
Important ang vision board. Yes, feel it na andun ka na. Correct. Yes, yun daw. Yun nga daw yung ano. Kasi, but going back to, yun nga yung sabi ni Mr. Believing that,
believing God.
Or having faith that, yung plans mo, yung hino-hope mo, yung dream mo.
Yun na lang nga dun sa may Proverbs 29:18, right? Where there's no vision, the people will perish.
Yes, kasi nga yun yung parang purpose mo. It's your drive. Tapos
may papasearch mo ulit?
Hindi na. Tapos na ako sa ganyan. Ba't di mo shinare para naisulat natin?
Hindi, bigla lang nag-sink in lang eh.
Kaya gusto niya ng impromptu. Ako mahirap sa impromptu kasi mamalay mo hindi ko I cannot rely on my memory.
You share that yung ni Matthew.
Okay, let's share this verse now. With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. Yeah,
yes.
That's a very popular. Because there's actually different books in the Bible that had mentioned this. That wherein it's saying, but if it's with man, it's impossible, but with God, it's possible. Kaya the more na lakasan mo yung faith mo. Right? When you're envisioning something, when you're dreaming for something, aiming for something, the more that you will reach out to God, pray for it daily.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi alam mo na only God can make it possible. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ko rin na yes, may lalo na naituro sa atin, naging tradisyon natin na dapat talaga paghirapan mo yung work, about works, to putting all your effort in something. Yes, it can help, but then nakadepende pa rin sa plano ng Panginoon yan eh. If it's God's will na makuha mo isang bagay, then it will happen. Tapos actually sometimes our God is ang Panginoon natin kaya nga ng isang he's our father, right? He's gaya ng isang ama na kuminsan may gusto ang isang anak na makuha, pero hindi yun yung parang plano or yung plano ng ama. Parang
stop it there,
okay, he will parang let it para pagbibigyan ka niya. Pero yun nga lang parang hindi yung when you get that parang hindi ka satisfied when you kasi hindi pala yun yung pinakamaganda or pinaka-best para sa iyo.
Akala mo yun na yung pinakamaganda for you.
Yeah.
But the
In your
thing is,
mind.
God has more better plans for you.
Yeah. Kaya talaga mas
Yun
maganda
lang kasi
yung
ang
will
hirap
ng
din
Panginoon.
kasi God give us the power of choice kasi eh.
Mm.
Akala mo para yun nga yun may nakita ko dito sa may kuan yun sa Facebook din. Parang kuan lang yun na animate.
Mm.
May isang tao yan nagkukuan sa desert, right?
Mm.
But yung hand is God. Pinopoint niya dito sa right way, right?
Okay. Yeah, parang nakita
But
ko na
yung
yun.
yung isang way na yun, nakikita na kasi yung kuan yung faucet. Siyempre
Oo.
uhaw na siya.
Aha na siya. Okay.
Gusto pa rin niya pumunta doon pero the hand keeps on pulling that man going to this sa ibang direction kasi
Mhm.
yung paningin kasi nung man na yon parang wala naman, desert pa rin yun,
Yeah.
may hill yun, right? So hindi, dito ako, gusto ko pa rin doon pa rin sa
May
faucet na yan.
Oo.
So,
Or sa well siguro ata
yeah,
yun
hindi,
eh.
sa
Basta,
faucet yun.
okay.
And then he keep on doing, pinul na naman nung hand dito, hindi, dito ako, sabi na naman niya gano'n until na-reach na niya yung faucet, right? And then, sige, yan ang gusto mo, right?
Drop
Inopen niya, and then it was only a drop
of
of water. And then,
Yes.
and if we only, kung
Nakinig
nakinig
tayo.
siya,
Sumunod ka.
sumunod ka, yung pala nung end nun, kasi nga, kala mo, pangit yung daan, but at the, pagka tanaw mo sa hill na yun, it's a oasis pala doon.
Yes.
Yun.
Oo.
Kaya sometimes talaga
Yung
makinig
lesson
ka rin
na-
sa
oo.
Panginoon.
Yeah.
Kaya maganda rin yun eh. Yun lang, isang example lang na God keeps on knocking on your door. God keeps on telling you what to do, but it's just a matter of us how to listen to Him.
Mhm. Hi, Ate Melanie. Good morning. Sabi ni Ate Gina, may another verse siyang share. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Write the vision and make it plain on tablets so he may run who reads it. Sabi niya gano'n. Thank you, Ate Gina. Ito, another verse na, ayun, because since we're mentioning about faith. In Hebrews 11 verse 1, sabi niya, now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see.
Mhm.
Yeah. Gano'n naman ang faith, di ba?
Yeah.
Actually, we're practicing faith in a lot of things, not only for in our spiritual life, but like, yun nga sabi nga na, example na lang, kasi kung ano yung simple way to, na example ng faith, yung pag-upo mo sa isang upuan, how would you know that yung upuan can
Mhm.
carry you?
Oh, I know, right?
Diba?
Paano?
It's because you have faith or you believe
Believe
that
na yung upuan kaya kanyang
can
buhatin.
carry you.
No matter
Yes.
what,
Yes.
no matter what, how heavy you are.
Yeah.
Alam mo talaga na yung upuan na yan is matibay. At
Yes.
hindi kanya what do you call this one? It will not be hindi magka-crack.
Hindi magka-crack o hindi kanya that it can carry you,
Carry you or yung
ayan.
support you.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. So yun, going back, so i-apply naman natin sa digital business natin.
Mhm.
Dali. Paano mo naman i-apply sa digital business natin yung visualization?
Ay, yun nga, yung visualization ko nga is with this business nga, tignan mo. At first, talaga mahirap yung first step. Kasi kung saan ka kukuha, right, ng pang-invest mo.
Mm.
At least, that's why you have to pray, ask God for yung na i-provide niya. And then, once we get into this business na nga, na-envision ko na kasi through sa pakikinig sa mga testimonials with our business partners who are there already, sa mga na-envision din nila when they first started,
Yeah.
I envision myself too na kung anong nagawa nila, we could do it more better. Diba?
Yeah.
Yun
We
yung
can get
parang
there,
gusto ko.
can do it better, yeah.
And then, ito nga, tignan mo, with this 11 months, we could see little by little.
Yeah,
Right?
getting
Kung paunti-unti na nating nakikita yung na-envision ko yun na at least I could support our family
Mhm.
while stay at home.
Mhm.
I could bless other people too. lalo-lalo yung mga nasa Philippines din, na ang kagustuhan lang naman ni Mrs. naman is makatulong talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi paano ka naman gusto mong tumulong pero wala ka naman.
Yeah.
You only
You can only give what
what
you
you have.
Yes.
Yun lang naman. Pero at
So,
least kung yung mga business partners natin, yung mga nandun na sa tuktok na yon,
mhm.
they don't know what their na. Minsan nga, hindi na nila alam
Alam mo
ata
anong
kung saan
gagawin
nila gagastusin eh.
Mhm.
Right? Kaya nga, na-envision ko rin yung kwan ng Panginoon din na if God will entrust you with small things, paano pa kaya sa bigger things He will
Right.
entrusted to you.
Uy, that's a good kwan din,
Yun.
advice din sa mga or
Mhm.
something that we can share to our business partners
Mhm.
here. Kaya wag kayong mapanghinaan ng loob. Don't be sad, don't be dismayed when things are just, parang matumal or walang nangyayari or parang pakonti-konti pa lang yung progress. Small progress, remember, small
Mhm.
progress is still
Still a
progress.
Yes.
You won't get there if you don't, move
Mhm.
forward. So, just being thankful, it's for those small blessings. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung plano ng Panginoon for you, but just trust and have faith with Him
Yes.
yung kasi yung alam naman ng Panginoon yung desire mo, and there's a reason why you were brought into the business
Mhm.
in the first place, right? Na inopen ng Panginoon yung door na yan for you. So have faith and be confident na yung binigay niyang solution na door na yun, na solution sa will help you get to yung anumang wise mo,
Mhm.
yung tinatamasa mong success or kung anumang plans mo na para sa
Yeah.
family mo. So, ayun, ano pa yung gusto kong sabihin sana? May dadagdag ka pa, biglang nawala yung chain of thought ko dito.
Bali na blank out ka. So,
Oo.
there's a verse again na pwedeng i-share is the 2 Corinthians 4:18.
Mhm.
While we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things we are not seen, for the things
Na.
for the things which are seen are temporal, but the things we are not seen are eternal.
Other version,
Ayun.
yung NIV version ng 2 Corinthians 4:18. So we fix our eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen.
Yes.
Since what is seen is
Temporary.
temporary, but what is unseen is eternal.
See, di ba? Doon ka na sa kwan. Yung hindi mo pa nakikita.
Yeah.
Kasi you know that you will be happy. Kasi na-envision mo na yun eh.
Mhm.
Although hindi mo pa nakikita ngayon, pero you envision it already.
Yeah.
You're doing the steps.
Pag nakita mo na temporary nga, sabi nga niya
Yeah.
temporary lang, di ba?
Temporary
Nakita
lang.
mo na parang actually you will lose. Parang isipin mo na rin din, mawawalan ka na ng gana pag nakita mo na parang na-reach mo na. Parang nakita mo na
Yeah,
So,
nakita mo na.
wala na, natapos na. Ngayon, mas maganda pag you keep going with, kasi kapag hindi mo pa nakikita, 'di ba? It makes you it
More
motivates
excited.
Yeah, more excited.
And do the steps na to reach that vision
Mhm.
mo na sinet mo para sa iyo.
Mhm.
Diba?
Because that's why nga kaya actually siguro in our business then when you visualize then and nakikita mo, malalaman mo, maririnig mo sa mga stories din ng mga successful business partners na natin na most of them yung visualize nila is actually not the material things.
Yes. What I like din sa business
Yeah.
natin na to.
Yeah.
Whatever yung vision ng coaches natin, Coach Lynn, or yung mga they're enjoying the life already.
Mhm.
Yung mga nakakuha na ng mga major milestone,
Mhm.
they're not only envisioning themselves, they're envision yung mga business partners niya rin
Na naging successful.
or magiging successful pa lang,
They're envisioning
or
them.
they're just nakapasok pa lang sa business, they envision already na ikaw, balang araw ikaw rin.
Oo.
Mararating mo rin tong narating namin,
Mhm.
baka mamaya mas mahigitan mo pa in a better, mas better pa yung yung
Yung saging yung
paging
success
success
mo.
mo.
Or also actually some of them had envisioned na they're seeing themselves helping others, helping more people
Mm.
through either they're being involved in charities or yung sinabi ni Mr. nga na
Hindi,
nakatulong sila ng more people
Mhm.
getting into business, having business and getting more successful.
hindi, tsaka ganun din naman talaga if your hearts are pure sa business na to or sa in anything, if your hearts are pure, kung yung
hinahangad
mo para lang sa to bless other people lang,
Mhm.
other people, or yung para tulungan sila,
Mhm.
God will give those blessings to you.
Yeah, yun yun.
Pero
tama
kung
naman. Kung tama yung
kung
hinahangad mo.
kung hindi naman yun yung parang rason mo or reason mo, para ano yun, anong gusto kong sabihin?
I know what you're trying to say. Tingnan mo, pati
Mhm.
kami na kulang sa tulog. Pero yung, anong tawag nito, yung parang, kung yung desires mo are pure, binababanggit ni Sis
pure.
Shay ito eh. Nakakalimutan ko lang. Nasa tip of the tongue ko. Sis Shay, magsalita ka. Nandiyan ka pa ba?
Mhm.
Hi, Sister Beth. And hi, thank you for watching po. Nandiyan si Sis Layden.
Nandiyan din
Ayun.
si Vice. KZ Abad.
Pero, ayun nga, yung actually, just the owner of the company
Yeah,
that we are
envision it
affiliated with.
already.
Hindi ang vision,
Nag-envision din
ang
siya.
vision niya is actually to help more families.
More family. Yun nga,
Na
yun
magkaroon
yung
ka ng, yung napabuti ba yung nabuhay mo. Yung tanong nga niya, yung sinasabi na Ate Gina, di ba? Yung tanong nung company is not, hindi yung ano na ang ano nang parang rank mo or ano na yung nakukuha mong o kung ano na yung income mo. Hindi.
Hindi.
Ang tanong niya is, may nabago ba sa buhay mo?
Or how
Kumusta
many,
yung pamilya mo?
and then how many family did you help?
Yung ganun. Yeah. So, mas maganda kung ang vision mo is ganun eh.
He's
Kasi
not
kung
counting
material
yung,
things,
hindi siya nagka-count ng mga kung ano yun, kung magkano na yung income mo, right?
hindi,
But he's
hindi.
counting how many
Very
life
generous
has
yung
been changed.
Oo.
Yun ang kinakount niya.
The more gusto niya is actually, kaya nga yung, kaya pa ito pang napakaganda dito sa business na to is yung business model na to ng business na to is, it actually, parang not forced, but it teaches you teamwork or
Teamwork.
it even parang iyon yung hina-highlight nung
At
owner or yung
magturingan
company is yung
kayong pamilya.
magtulungan. Talagang
Magturingan na parang family.
it's the teamwork kasi nga isipin mo na lang 'di ba kung hindi nyo ipa-practice ang teamwork, kung wala yung teamwork sa community na to or sa business na to, wala parang competition na lang.
Yeah, which is nakakapagod yun.
Or parang
Competition
kung
na lang.
competition, parang kung yung mga iba dahil wala nang tumutulong sa kanila or mag-isa mo, 'di ba? In this business, 'di ba? Parang kung walang tumutulong sa iyo, nako, mahirapan ka.
Mhm.
Oo, maraming parang baka aalis, Kasi parang hindi, lalo na it's something new for them, lalo na yung mga walang experience sa business or sa mga hindi marunong sa computer nga, ng tech savvy, talagang and in anything talaga naman, kaya nga I like that, kaya I'm thankful din sa Panginoon dun sa pag-lead niya rin sa akin, even though my military time had closed, that door already closed. Kasi umalis na po ako sa military, but I'm thankful to God na dinaan niya ako. He let me experience being in the military kasi I've learned a lot. Yung talaga napaka-importante ang teamwork. Kasi pag hindi kapag ang isang member hindi ginawa yung part niya, maapektuhan yung buong team.
Mhm.
So it just makes you parang yung uh, magkakaroon ka lang ng mindset na dapat na matututo ka lang na you have to keep doing what you need to do. Whatever you are assigned to, whatever you're supposed to, yung kung ano man yung parang sa team or yung nga yung kung so i-apply natin dito sa digital business natin. Ang role natin is yung pagpo-post. Just keep posting, keep showing up for your business.
Yes. And again,
Kasi if you don't do it, it will affect then yung it again it is not it is your yes it is your business, but then like we said, parang grupo din tayo, may team tayo dito eh. Hindi rin magpo-progress yung team kung hindi ka rin gagalaw.
yes, kung wala ka rin.
Yeah. And in simple things lang, alam mo yung pag-support mo lang sa mga posting ng kapwa mo business partner is already big help. You know, that's boosting your fellow business partner. So that's doing your part as in a team.
Mhm.
Yeah. Kasi ganun din ang gagawin nila sa'yo. Right? Ano pa? Ano pang ano natin? Tapos na tayo dun sa topic. So again, ikon lang natin, Again, for those people who are watching us na hindi pa part ng business namin, we are doing this 90-day success challenge because we want to improve ourselves, improve, if it's for professional growth,
And lead by example
lead
too.
by example for our business partners. But also, just like what we were saying in the beginning, we also want to use this platform to bless, to share
The blessing that we've been receiving.
yes,
And,
help others, inspire others, encourage
yes.
others, share our yung the word of God, our faith.
Yes.
Kasi we don't know what your situation is.
Yes.
If you are going through something, hopefully,
Yes.
baka in even in this simple way na nagpag-share namin, it
Yes.
can help encourage you, lift you up.
Yes.
Then it's already a big thing for us, right? Kasi
Mhm.
nga again itong business na to or had this is a business, we are in the business of helping others. And yun yung napakaganda dito yun yung gustuhan ko rin sa business na to kasi it's really my passion to be helping people. I always see myself or I always drawn to doing that, helping others. And so napakaganda kasi even in this type of business pala we can do that, right? So anyway, if you haven't if you are curious of what we do, of what we're doing in this business,
Yes, don't
check
be
out
curious now. Just check out our website.
Yeah.
And www.genosup.com.
Yeah.
And take off that mindset to see is to believe. You have to believe first in order to see it. Go to
Yeah.
our website, put your name and email,
Mhm.
and watch that free webinar, that free
yes.
taste of our business.
And don't stop there. Don't
Mhm.
stop there. Go to the next step. Step 2. Pay that fee so that you can see the full picture, full know the whole information about our business, know the whole thing about how our business works.
Yes.
And then also after that, do your research.
Mhm.
Pray about it.
Yes,
Yes.
pray. That's an important thing. You have to pray for it.
Yes. And then kapag if
You're ready for the
God's
next step.
answer, or if you feel if you're still
The
if
intuition already.
yes, may
the
nadadrawn ka,
conviction already.
yes, then proceed. We are we and or actually during that step 2, if you have any questions, by the way,
Yeah, feel free
feel
to
free
reach
to
out.
reach out, send a comment or message us. So
Yes.
we are gladly we will give answers, and we will help you, guide you.
Yes, guide you. Yes.
And then if you proceed, then you know welcome, and then at least you will, so you can experience what we're experiencing as well.
Yes,
Yes.
all we want to do, all we want is to bless you too,
Bless you too. Yes.
and through God,
Yes.
And why
Yeah.
digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Yeah, join
Ayun
na.
na.
And again, this is Ken,
And I'm Zapra,
and we are proud digital
business
business owners.
owners.
And again, I tell you, you have to believe in order to see it.
Take action first.
Yes.
Take action in by checking out our
Website
website, our
www
business.
again
Yes.
www.genusup.com, and remove that mentality of seeing it first before you believe it. Mas maganda, you have to believe it first in order to see it. Just like you have a faith in God.
Mhm.
Kasi yung faith naman na yan, hindi mo nakikita. Si God naman, hindi mo nakikita.
Mhm.
You have that faith in believing in Him lang.
But again, that's why we're doing this go live, because we want to show you we are real people with
Yes.
real results. You
Yes.
know, so hindi lang yung mga nakikita yung ad. If you still not contented, and if you are just living around the area, you can meet us.
Meet us, yeah.
Yes.
Kahit
So,
saan pa dyan.
yeah.
Kahit saan mo gusto.
Mm-hmm. Then again, we encourage you. That's why we encourage you to pray, 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 pray
Yes,
about it,
yes.
and have faith. And panghawakan mo yung mga salita ng Panginoon, that He will make you successful in life, as long as you delight yourselves in Him.
And He will give all your heart's desires.
Yes, and then also, I guess, another verse again that I've been meditating, or been pinanghahawakan ko rin ng lagi in everything that I do. Kasi kung nakikita mo naging successful lang ibang tao diyan, then just in Philippians 4:13, they were able to do it, why can't I? Kasi sabi doon sa Philippians 4:13, I can do all things as long as you believe in God. So I can do all things through Christ
Which
who
is
strengthens me. So
strengthening,
you can
yes.
also do it. Sa mga business partners namin dyan, we will get there. Just have faith.
Just
All right.
hang in there.
Hang in there. Do not give up. Do not stop.
Don't let go.
All right.
Kagaya ng Panginoon, we keep on hanging in our faith. Even if we let go, He's still there to catch you. He's still there to hold on to you.
Yeah. Siya ang good example. Hindi siya nag-give up. So why will you give up?
Yes.
He's not giving up on you. Right?
Amen.
Ang daming mga hindi tayo matatapos dito. But anyway, again, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Again, tomorrow we will continue to do this 90-day success challenge. It's gonna be our day 18. So hopefully you'll support us. Watch us again tomorrow. We don't know what time, but just tune in. Thank you. And for those who are going to watch the replay, hopefully we have inspired you, encouraged you for today. We want to bless you and help you. So
God bless.
God bless.
Happy
And
Friday.
happy
and
Friday. Enjoy your
a good
weekend.
weekend. And come again tomorrow for another exciting and inspiration and encouraging topic again tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye
Okay.
for now.
Bye for now. God bless.
God bless.